There's a high-tech aficionado inside all of us, waiting to invest in every product that makes our lives easier, and then makes us feel cooler too. Amazon has an extensive line of tech products ranging from smart speakers and streaming devices to affordable tablets, smart home gear, and e-readers. And it feels like they're launching new ones all the time. You can organize your daily activities and more by using these gadgets. In this video, we are going to discuss tech and gadgets that will make your life 100 times easier. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. NOCO Jump Starter. Nothing can derail a trip like the car trouble. The NOCO Jump Starter is a great safety net for one of the most common car issues, a dead battery. This incredibly compact gadget houses enough power to jumpstart a vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. It's anything but a one-trick pony though. It has an integrated LED light to help you out in the dark, provide emergency lighting, or act as an SOS signal. It even has a USB port, allowing you to charge your small electronic devices while on the go. Collapsible Umbrella. Thanks to a whole lot of innovative engineering, this collapsible umbrella by a weatherman can withstand wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour. The product can also survive drops and inverting, with the last bit being a weak point for most umbrellas. The umbrella has a quick-drying, water-repellent fabric canopy, available in many colors. Weatherman backs the product with an excellent lifetime warranty. E5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The reasonably priced Roborock E5 is a robot vacuum with excellent cleaning capabilities, quiet operation, and clever room mapping tech. Unlike many rivals in its price range, the robot can even mop floors. You can control the robot via its bundled remote, a mobile app, or Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Available in black or white, the connected home gadget can clean for more than 3 hours between charges. Smart Pressure Cooker. Pressure cookers are nothing new to the world of kitchen appliances, and you may already have one. However, a smart pressure cooker like Instant Pot Smart Wi-Fi 6-quart electric pressure cooker is a step above the rest. The Meat and Stew Smart program cooks beef and pork the way you like it, anywhere from rare to fall off the bone. The Poultry Smart program cooks moist and tender chicken, turkey, and other poultry even from frozen. Stainless steel steam rack with handles, rice paddle, soup spoon, measuring cup, and condensation collector. Pressure cookers are a dime a dozen these days, but it's a Wi-Fi capability on this model. You can control the pressure cooker and monitor it from afar using the Instant Pot app, available for iOS and Android devices. Magnetic Levitating Lamp with Wireless Phone Charger. This levitating lamp has two key components, the lamp holder and the bulb. You power on the device and suspend the lamp near the holder. The bulb floats without any support or contact. Use the maglev technique to do so. The bulb is powered through the air via magnetic induction, and lights are controlled by the touch button, on and off, on the base. The lamp has a metal body, making it look decent on any table. It has a touch control and a fall-proof design. Fall-proof design means that if you unplug the lamp from a power source, the bulb, instead of falling down, gets attached to the lamp itself. This is just crazy. An ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. This is a particularly clever smart home tool if you regularly wear jewelry or accessories made from precious metals, as it will clean them without the risk of tarnishing them. Designed with a hygienic stainless steel tank and high-powered ultrasonic transducer for a superior cleaning effect. The see-through lid is attached, making this unit extremely easy to load and unload. Using soundwave technology and tap water, it will get rid of daily dirt and grime without damaging your pieces. Comes with a removable cleaning basket and watch stand. The ultrasound cleaner can clean jewelry, watch, spectacles, sunglasses, razor heads, printer heads, toothbrush heads, dental tools, dentures, utensils, machine items, and so on. Smart Sprinkler Controller. Weather Intelligence Plus is an exciting feature available only for Ratio 3 that provides hyper-local accuracy into the current and projected weather that's not only in your area but right outside your door. No other smart sprinkler controller offers weather monitoring this precise or reliable. Combining data from national weather stations, more than 270,000 personal weather stations, satellite data, and radar data, Ratio makes sure you're never caught watering in the rain, wind, or snow. The Ratio panel is easy to install and integrates with Nest, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings, and Apple HomeKit. You can call out to your smart speaker of choice and say, "Water the lawn," or use another custom command. Hero 10 Black Waterproof Action Camera. The Hero 10 Black by GoPro is unsurprisingly an even better variant of the best action camera out there. It's compact, easy to operate. We like its front-facing LCD display and full of connectivity features. It allows you to capture super sharp 5.3K video and 23 MP still images. Plus, you can live stream your adventures in high resolution. Most importantly, the gadget has the best video stabilization tech in its class. The Hero 10 Black can go up to 33 feet underwater without housing. Like its predecessor, it's compatible with a robust selection of original and third-party accessories. Uniquebella's cool carry-on garment and duffel bag. This versatile carry-on garment bag is the perfect companion for any regular traveler. The duffel bag is made from durable high-density fabric that is waterproof, tear-resistant, and lightweight. It can be attached to the top of a rolling suitcase while you make your way around the airport and then detached for boarding your flight. The 2-in-1 duffel bag has very strong zips that will stand the test of time and secure, comfortable straps that you can rely on while you're on the road. When you open the bag, you can lay it out flat to access your clothes and belongings, but it can also be hung up and used in this way. Due to the bag's expert design, it will keep your suits, dresses, and shirts clean and wrinkle-free, making this the best carry-on garment bag on the market. This is the best suit travel bag for men, but also accommodates all women's needs as well. Internet Security Firewall. You might not even realize this is a problem, but chances are your home computer security is pretty lax. Even if you have antivirus software, you still could be vulnerable to hacking and other internet attacks. The Gryphon Advanced Security and Parental Control Mesh Wi-Fi router is a smart internet security firewall that guards your entire network up to 3,000 square feet, keeping your sensitive financial and personal information safe. Plus, if your children are always sneaking onto the internet before they finish their homework, this router lets you get serious about parental controls. The Gryphon recognizes every gadget in your home, from phones to laptops and gaming systems, and can filter out inappropriate content. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.